Imagine a creature so tough that it can survive the vacuum of outer space, temperatures near absolute zero, and pressures 6 times greater than the deepest part of the ocean. It doesn't have armor, claws, or massive size. In fact, it's barely the size of a grain of salt. This is the tardigrade, also known as the water bear, or moss piglet. While most life on Earth is fragile, these microscopic tanks have survived all 5 of the planet's mass extinctions. Quick question. If you could have one superpower, would you choose the tardigrade's invincibility or something else? The tardigrade's real trick isn't that it's tough, it's that it knows how to play dead. When conditions get too extreme, the tardigrade undergoes a process called cryptobiosis. It pulls in its 8 legs, loses 97% of its body water, and curls into a dry, lifeless ball called a ton. In this state, its metabolism drops to 0.01% of normal. It is essentially paused. To protect its internal organs, the tardigrade produces a unique protein called TDPs, tardigrade disordered proteins. This protein turns into a glass-like substance that coats the cell's vital parts, preventing them from breaking or tangling while dry. It's like biological bubble wrap. Once the tardigrade is touched by a single drop of water, it rehydrates and walks away in minutes, even if it has been dead for decades. In 2019, the tardigrade officially became an extraterrestrial. An Israeli spacecraft called Bereshit crashed onto the surface of the moon while carrying a small collection of tardigrades in their toon state. Because the moon has no atmosphere and extreme temperature swings, any other creature would have been vaporized or frozen instantly. But the tardigrades? They are likely still there, sitting in the lunar dust, perfectly preserved and waiting for a splash of water that will probably never come. They have survived being blasted with radiation that would be lethal to humans and spent days in the vacuum of space outside the International Space Station. They aren't just part of the Earth's history. They are likely the first permanent residents of the moon. From their glass-coated cells to their lunar shipwreck, tardigrades prove that the most resilient things in the universe often come in the smallest packages. They remind us that life doesn't just exist, it persists. Subscribe for more unexpected stories of the world's most incredible creatures.